During menstruation, it's best to avoid certain activities for your health and well-being. Hormonal changes can cause discomfort like breast tenderness, pelvic pain, heaviness, and backaches, so it's wise to steer clear of anything that exacerbates these symptoms. Activities to avoid during period. Here we are listing 10 things that no woman should do on her period. Let's check out the following points. 1. Avoid salty foods. Eating salty foods like French fries, chips, or fritters during your period can worsen cramps and discomfort. These snacks can cause acidity, bloating, and dehydration, intensifying period pain. Be mindful of your diet during menstruation to alleviate pain and cramps. 2. Say no to dairy products. Avoid indulging in dairy products like mac and cheese or hot milk with chocolate during your period. These can cause bloating and discomfort, regardless of your lactose tolerance. Hormonal fluctuations during menstruation can exacerbate symptoms, so it's best to steer clear of dairy to reduce cramps and pain. 3. Avoid waxing. Waxing and bleaching-like activities to avoid during the period. The estrogen hormone hits the peak during the menstrual cycle. That means your body is more sensitive than on regular days. The experts suggest that women should avoid waxing or shaving or such activities as tooth extraction while they have their periods due to such things that can hurt them more than usual days. 4. Unprotected intercourse. It's a personal choice whether to have sex during your period, but it's important to use protection to prevent the spread of bacteria or viruses. The cervix is slightly more open during menstruation, increasing the risk of infection. Additionally, if you have irregular periods, unprotected sex during menstruation can lead to pregnancy and concurrent ovulation and periods. 5. Miss the workout. Skipping a workout is a common task during periods as you are feeling uneasy, sad, or not good, but the studies have revealed something else. Doing light exercise can be beneficial during periods and reduces anxiety and improve your mood. Various activities can be helpful to ease up period pain and cramps. 6. Don't wear a tampon or pad for a long time. How long can you keep a period pad on? It never matters if you are using a tampon or a sanitary pad for the periods, but it is essential that don't wear them for a long time, not more than 4 to 5 hours. Wearing a tampon or sanitary pad for a long time can be a massive hub for bacteria growth or skin rashes, and if you have a sensitive skin tone, you must take care a little more. 7. Avoid caffeine and smoking. Should you avoid caffeine when on your period? We all love our morning tea and coffee, and we are addicted and never want to miss any day, but the health experts do not agree with that, especially when you are flowing down. Caffeine and cigarette smoking can be harmful while having a menstrual cycle, and they can worsen the period's cramp and pain, and these facts are decided by various studies done on women. 8. Don't avoid meals. You may feel food cravings during periods, but sometimes you can hate eating due to hormonal changes. It would help if you didn't skip the meal as your body has been already fragile with a lack of energy, and eating small meals can provide such power and help in mood swings. 9. Change the mood. Just lying down to the bed and thinking about the pain can enhance the problem. Try to be a little active, or reading some books or listening to music can help you out. 10. Sleep on time. If you aren't feeling sleepy during the periods and just staring at the screen or doing something silly to avoid sleep, then you mustn't do that. Waking at night for too long can provoke the stress hormone called cortisol and make your periods worse than your imagination.